All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today I'm going to show you how to get the most out of your flex mode. If you have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, this is something that you probably want to go ahead and take a look at and set these settings up. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go into settings. You can also get to settings from your drop-down menu as well, from notification shade. Then you want to go down to advanced, and then you want to go into labs. Now in here, this is where you want to get the best out of your phone, pretty much, I would say. So right here, this first one is multi-window for all apps. I would suggest that you definitely turn that on because it tells you what it's going to do. It's going to let any app go into multi-window. So that's a huge plus. Then the next one is full screen and split mode. As you can see here, all you do is you follow the gestures on the phone. Boom, you're good to go. All right, next one, a really cool one, is swipe right here. This is how you can get into split screen. And then we're going to go down here to this one. This is swipe pop-up view. This is how you can just pretty much put anything like this into view. That's all you do. You can make the screen go into a pop-up view. So now, flex panel. Flex panel is the cream of the crop here, folks. You gotta trust me. By default on my phone, all of these were off. So I started going in here, checking the ones that I would want to be able to use flex mode. And if you don't do anything else, folks, if you don't do anything else, go down and turn on Gmail for flex mode. I know you'll be happy with the way this looks because the phone can sit up in like a laptop form. So this is something that I think you probably should take note of and go in here and at least try it. And if you don't like it, you can turn it off. So after you select everything you want, you can see I have a few of them checked, probably about 25 or 30 of them checked, not everything, but you want to go ahead and go in there and you can back out. And again, be sure to take a look at those top 4 as well. You don't have to use those, but flex panel definitely is a must. And so now we're going to go into Gmail. Now, when I flex the phone this time, I'm going to get some options. And here are the options. Now, the first one is the drop-down shade on the left here. That'll bring down the drop-down shade, as you can see. The next one is a screenshot. Take a screenshot of the top area up there. This next one is brightness on the screen. You can see I can turn the brightness up wherever I want it to be. The next one is volume for your sound. You can adjust your volume. And the last one has to be the coolest of them all. This gives you a touchpad and it brings up a cursor. As you can see there, you can pretty much, you got like a laptop. I can do everything with this. I can touch anything on the screen. I can even stop the recording. That's crazy. So taking advantage of the flex mode in labs is a huge plus, folks. You really need to go ahead and turn that functionality on. And when you're done with it, you can either hit the X or you can just open your phone back up to a full size regular phone. So I wanted to go ahead and show you that. I think that's got to be one of the best parts of this phone. If you're not taking advantage of it, something's wrong. So remember, go into settings, labs, advanced settings, advanced features, then labs, and then you go down to the bottom for flex mode. Now you can check this for anything. I mean, anything can go in here. So it's your man Jay, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this tip that I'm sharing with you. If you have a Z Flip 4, head over there and turn this feature on. The flex panel, you can really get the most out of your phone. Take care.